Hey there, Arduino enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into a simple yet fundamental Arduino project, blinking an LED using the Arduino Uno. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Arduino website. Follow along, and we'll write the code step by step. Type pin mode LED underscore built-in output in the void setup function. Now let's go to the void loop. To turn on the LED, type digital write LED underscore built-in high. Add a delay 100. Add a delay 100. Connect your Arduino Uno or 4 to your computer, select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE, and click the Upload button. That's it! Your LED should now be blinking. Experiment with the code to change the blink rate or try different pins. Like, follow and share Electroverse for more content. Happy coding!